Welcome to Negros Oriental State University's Bachelor of Secondary Education program, a beacon of quality education that transcends boundaries. The Bachelor of Secondary Education of NORSU believes in shaping not just students, but future leaders in connection with CTED's mission and vision. Beyond the classroom, the department empowers students to explore their passions, engage in a spectrum of extracurricular activities and events that enhance skills, foster creativity, and build lasting friendships.
We are accredited level 3 by the AACO. Our teachers teaching in our program are most of them have the PhD degree or doctoral degree already. And in terms of our passing rate in the board exam, we have our students gain an average that is greater than or above the national passing rate.
But don't just take our word for it. Meet an esteemed alumnus of the Bachelor of Secondary Education program.
Hi, good morning. My name is Mary Jane P. Cortesa. I am presently connected to Santiago Delmo Memorial High School. And I am teacher too, but according to our principal, I will be promoted as teacher 3. And I am only waiting for the papers, the appointment. But I hopefully it will come one of these days. And I am teaching English because I graduated Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English. And you know, I'm so proud that I am a graduate of Negros Oriental State University because I learned a lot from the institution. One of those qualities or things that I learned, which I also have it now, is the institution pushed us that we will be independent. It's like that we were taught that whatever situations that we encountered, we are like we have that adjustment, whatever situations that we're in, getting along with other people, because you know along the way we will encounter with different people, and it's up to you how are you going to handle the situations also. And another one is self-reliant. Being a college student, it is very important that you have a lot of resources, and then especially there will be problem when it comes to financial. So I look for things na I could have that I could finance whatever things there are, especially in college where there are a lot of, especially in education, you know, a lot of things to consider, the instructional materials, and then so I look for resources for me that I'm able to come up with all those more required materials. So being independent, self-reliant, and being flexible, which those qualities that I have right now. I also practice that one, especially in my job at the moment.
The success stories don't end there. Our commitment to excellence is evident in the shelves adorned with trophies and awards, a testament to the competence and intelligence fostered within our BSED students. Enroll now and be part of a winning legacy at Negros Oriental State University's Bachelor of Secondary Education program. Your success story begins here.